Dome Attack Part 12.
The only way they can
It's recording.
identify is
This is the official train horn by Daniel Russo. It's actually a locomotive
AKA
train horn.
One-Eyed Sam.
One-Eyed Sam.
AKA One-Eyed Sam, AKA Whispering.
Whispering Tiger.
Are we doing it? Are we doing it right now?
Yeah.
Oh my god. That's not funny.
That is the conclusion of Hornblasters of a Titan. Do it again. Please do it again. Please do it again.
She's like, are you on drugs?
Oh my god!
Oh shit.
In case you didn't notice, the police sirens just came.
Oh wait till we go in here.
The police siren just got motherfucking came, and we're about to blow the
till we
motherfucking.
go in here. No, wait till you go.
Bye bye.
No, it's
Should
so
we keep
loud.
him on?
Yeah, I'm gonna honk it in here. It's so loud. Under here.
Brace yourself for the sound, ladies and gentlemen.
When they're down.
There's no cops up in this motherfucker.
Brace yourself.
Wow.
Pew pew pew. Brack ball. Pew.
Ooh.